The ELLIPAL X Card is a new type of crypto cold wallet that raises important security questions, particularly around its use of near-field communication or NFC. The core design philosophy of the X Card centers on being air-gapped, meaning its private keys are completely isolated from any network, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or USB. The X Card uses NFC for one purpose: to sign transactions after you've input the details into the accompanying ELLIPAL mobile app. When you tap the card to your phone, the card wakes up, signs the transaction internally using its secure chip, and then transmits only the signed, public transaction data back to the phone. The private key never leaves the card's certified CC/EAL6 Plus secure chip. This chip is the same bank-grade technology used in credit cards, offering the highest commercial level of security against physical and logical attacks. Because the private keys are generated and permanently stored inside this secure element and never touch an internet-connected device or even the NFC broadcast data, a successful hack via NFC is extraordinarily difficult. A key defense mechanism is that the card is PIN-protected, and after 10 incorrect PIN attempts, the card's data is automatically and permanently wiped, acting as a physical self-destruct feature. The initial wallet setup and seed phrase generation are done on a separate, completely offline starter device, ensuring the seed phrase is never exposed to the internet. So, while the NFC connection is a brief, short-range wireless communication, the architecture ensures that the critical, sensitive information, your private key, remains protected within the secure chip and is never transmitted over the NFC channel. The NFC data transfer is limited to relaying the request and returning the signed transaction, making a successful key extraction hack through that vector highly unlikely due to the physical security features and the air-gap nature of the key storage.